Math review time. Ratio and proportions. What is ratio and proportions? Ratio is the quantitative relation between two amounts showing the number of time and one value contains or contained within the other. Proportion is a part, share, or number considered in comparative relation to a whole. Let's have an example. Direct, inverse, and partitive proportion. Direct proportion. Two quantities are directly proportional if an increase in one quantity corresponds to a constant increase in the other quantity, or vice versa. Inverse proportion. Inverse proportion occurs when one value increases and the other decreases. Partitive proportion. Partitive proportion is used to divide a whole number or a whole amount into parts proportional to the given. Let's have an example. Ami earns 250 pesos for selling homemade lemon iced tea on 4 Wednesdays. How many Wednesdays will it take to get 500 pesos? Which proportion is this? This is direct proportion. How do we find letter N? Multiply the digits diagonal from each other. The answer that you got must be divided by the number on top or bottom of it. So 500 multiplied by 4 is equal to 2,000 and 2,000 divided by 250 is equal to 8. So our answer is 8. 5 men finish a project in 4 weeks. How many men can finish a project in 2 weeks? Which type of proportion is this? This is inverse proportion. First, multiply them across. The answer that you got must be divided by the number on top or bottom of it. 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. So our answer is 10. Word problems. The ratio of boys to girls in a class is 5 to 5. If there are 48 students in class, how many boys and girls are there? Which type of proportion is this? This is partitive proportion.